Hi everyone, welcome to Focus Academy. See this problem. Here one voltage signal was given here, V of t. So it was given in the form of signal and asking that how to find VRMS, that is RMS voltage, and average power. So whenever this voltage was supplied to a 2 ohm resistor, then find average power also. This is the problem. How can you find VRMS first? First of all, recall the standard formula for RMS voltage. So that is VRMS is equal to root of 1 by t integral of 0 to t V of t whole square dt. So this is the standard formula for RMS voltage. So here t is the time period of the waveform for the voltage signal V of t. So this is the voltage signal V of t. So it was given in the data form. So convert this into equation form, means mathematical equation form. So after that, that mathematical equation was going to substitute in this equation. We will then get RMS voltage. Now first of all, how to convert this data, means waveform, into mathematical equation? How can you do it? So let's see here. So this waveform is a continuous and repeated form. So that is from 0 to 5. So however the pattern, like this is a pattern, again repeated from 5 to 10. So one triangular and one line, and again one triangular, one line. So take this small piece, means it is called as a one waveform. This waveform was repeated and repeated again. Only this waveform is enough for to convert into voltage equation. So in the duration from 0 to 5, this is enough. Again 5 to 10, the same waveform will be repeated. So from 0 to 5 is nothing but a time period. So t is nothing but 5 minus 0, nothing but 5. So this is the time period. Now we want voltage equation V of t. So it have two limits. So 0 to 2, one equation is there, and 0 to 5 we have another equation is there. So first of all, from 0 to 2, it is a straight line. It is a straight line from 0 to 2. So find the line equation between 0 to 2, that is here 0, 0 point is there, and here 2, 8 point is there. So between these 2 points, we are going to find line equation. So that is the voltage equation from 0 to 2. So according to line equation, we know that y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So here y means y axis. What is there here? V of t is there. In time t is there. So y means V of t. So V of t minus y1 equal to m means slope, that is nothing but change in the points. So let's consider this is x1 y1 point, this is x2 y2 point. Slope between 2 points is nothing but changes in y values by changes in x values, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 gives slope into x minus x1. So x means x axis what is there, t is there. So t minus x1. Now we have x1 y1 value and x2 y2 value. Now substitute these values in this equation in the corresponding value places. So then we get, so V of t minus, so y1 is 0, that's equal to y2 minus y1. y2 is 8, y1 is 0. So 8 minus 0, 8 upon next x2 minus x1. So x2 is 2, 2 minus 0, 2 into t minus x1 is 0. So V of t minus 0 nothing but V of t. 2 ones, 2 fours, nothing but 4 into t minus 0, t, nothing but 4t. So this is the voltage equation from 0 to 2 only. So from 2 to 5, the value is 0, nothing but, so from 2 to 5 V of t is equal to 0. It is a constant value, there is no change. Now we have the equations from 0 to 2 and 2 to 5. Now we are going to easily find VRMS. Let's see here. So now we want here VRMS from 0 to 5 limits. Okay, so that is VRMS equal to root of 1 by t integral of 0 to 5 can be written as 0 to 2 one equation and 2 to 5 one equation. That is 0 to 2 one equation, that is V of t whole square dt plus integral of 2 to 5 another equation, that is V of t whole square dt. So these are the two equations into t. That's equal to root of 1 by t. T we got 5. This is the duration. 5 integral of 0 to 2. We have equation, that is 4t whole square dt plus integral of 2 to 5. The value is 0. So for constant the integration is 0. Now here by simplifying this we will get VRMS in terms of equation. So let's see here. So bring this square root to the left hand side, then becomes VRMS square. That's equal to 1 by 5 integral of 0 to 2. So 4 square 16, 16 t square dt. Now apply integral for this. So bring 16 outside, then it becomes 16 by 5 integral of 0 to 2 t square dt. It becomes 16 by 5 exponent formula, but t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, having limits from 0 to 2. So it becomes 16 by 5 into 3, 5 into 3 15. So 2 cube minus 0 cube. So that is 16 by 15 into 8. That is VRMS square. But here we want VRMS. That is root of 16 by 15 into 8. So by using calculator, by simplifying this, we will get the value, that is 2.92 volts. So this is RMS voltage. Now how can you find the average power? So from this RMS voltage, we can easily find RMS power which was supplied to a resistor 2 ohms. So by recalling the formulas, average power P equal to RMS voltage whole square upon R. Here we got RMS is 2.92, that is 2.92 whole square upon R, that is 2 ohms. By simplifying this we will get 4.267 watts. So this is the average power and this is the RMS voltage for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.